Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make these beautiful paper flowers in an easy way. They look so elegant, are perfect for home decoration, table decor or even gifting. The best part, you only need simple materials and anyone can make this at home. So let's get started. For this craft, you will need colored paper, white and green, scissors, glue, pencil, yellow color pen or sketch and a small vase or base for decoration. That's it. Very simple materials. First, take your white paper. Paper flowers are sustainable, customizable and everlasting decorative items crafted from materials like crepe paper, tissue paper or cardstock. Draw a simple petal shape using a pencil. You can make it slightly oval or rounded at the edges. Now carefully cut the petals. For one flower, you will need around 5 to 6 petals. Large paper flowers are popular for wall art, party backdrops, and table centerpieces. Everlasting flowers that do not wilt often used the wedding or home decor. Once cut, gently bend the petals a little in the center. This will give a natural and realistic look to your flower. Now take your yellow color sketch pen or color. Lightly draw lines starting from the center of each petals and spreading outwards. These small details makes a big difference and gives a beautiful floral effect. You can adjust the shading based on your performance. Now let's assemble the flowers. Apply a small amount of glue at the base of each petals. Start sticking the petals one by one in the circular shape. Make sure they slight overlap to create a full flower look. Finally, press gently and let it dry. Your flower is now ready. Crafting methods including using crepe paper, cardstock or even repurposing paper bags. Popular styles including paper daisies, roses and pom-poms. Crepe paper, tissue paper or colored construction paper. Scissors, floral white, floral tape, glue or double-sided tape. Now take green color paper to make leaves. Draw a long leaf shape and cut it neatly. You can draw light lines on the leaf using a pencil or pen to give it a natural texture. Make one or two leaves depending on your design. Paper flowers have deep roots in Mexico, likely brought by Spanish settlers using tissue paper to decorate churches. They present long-lasting life and love. Paper flower primary reference to artificial flowers crafted from paper for decorations, gifts or historically in Victorian era crafting. All the materials links are in description. You can easily find everything I used from these links below. Best quality products I personally use are linked below. I will share these links from all materials like color papers, scissors, sketch pens, glue, etc. below. Now it's time to arrange everything beautifully. Take your small vase or base, attach the flowers together and fix them on the vase. If you purchase using these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support my channel and lets me create more videos like this. Thank you so much for your support. My channel is all about my favorite art and craft. This is my creative crafts, DIY, wall decor, home decor, paper crafts. Add the green leaves on the sides for a balanced look. Adjust everything neatly so it looks clean and elegant. And there you go. Your beautiful paper flower decoration is ready. I would like to share my passion with all of you using this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Let's build a beautiful world together. A new video will be published every Thursday at 6 pm and every Sunday at 6 pm. Paper flowers are more useful than they look. Once you start making them, you will find tons of creative ways to use them. Home decoration. Brighten up living rooms, bedrooms, or balconies. I hope you enjoy this simple and beautiful paper flowers making tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. Try this at home and create something amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.